Imagine holding the future of aerial cinematography in the palm of your hand, a device so small it disappears into your jacket pocket, yet so powerful it captures cinematic 4K footage that could rival professional production houses. We are talking about the next evolution in personal flight, a shift that is set to completely disrupt how creators, travelers, and tech enthusiasts document their lives. For months, the rumors have been swirling, and the leaked schematics have hinted at a leap in performance that many thought was impossible for a sub-200-gram drone. The whispers about the DJI Neo 3 aren't just about another iterative update. They're about a fundamental rethinking of what a portable AI drone can achieve in real-world conditions. Today, we are diving deep into the absolute truth behind the upcoming launch, the radical hardware redesigns, and the price point that could force every other drone manufacturer to rethink their entire strategy. This isn't just speculation. It is a breakdown of the technological convergence that makes the DJI Neo 3 the most anticipated release of 2026. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, to understand why the tech industry is holding its breath, we have to look at the limitations of the current generation. While current palm-sized drones have paved the way, they've often been defined by compromises, shorter flight times, mediocre low-light performance, and stabilization that struggles in anything but perfect wind conditions. The DJI Neo 3 changes the narrative by addressing these pain points through a complete overhaul of the propulsion and thermal management systems. Early reports from supply chain insiders suggest that the DJI Neo 3 features a newly engineered open grill propeller guard system. This isn't just for safety, it is a thermal efficiency breakthrough. By allowing for optimized airflow, the drone can run its internal processing units at higher clock speeds for longer durations without overheating, which is the secret sauce behind the rumored ability to record at a native 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. Think about what that frame rate means for your creative workflow. Being able to shoot at 120 frames per second on a device this compact means you can slow down your aerial footage by 4 times in post-production, turning a simple flight through a park into a professional, dreamlike sequence. But the hardware is only half the story. The software integration, specifically the AI subject tracking, is where the DJI Neo 3 is expected to pull away from the pack. We are moving beyond simple color-based locking. The onboard neural processing unit is rumored to be capable of predictive trajectory mapping. This means the drone doesn't just follow you, it anticipates your movement. Whether you're mountain biking through a dense forest or skiing down a steep slope, the DJI Neo 3 maintains a lock that feels human-operated. It's an invisible cinematographer that knows your next move before you even commit to it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The entry-level market has been stagnant for a while, but with the rumored launch slated for the coming weeks, the industry is bracing for a highly aggressive pricing strategy. If leaks regarding the production costs and the bill of materials are accurate, the DJI Neo 3 is positioned to be an entry-level professional device. We aren't looking at a price tag that breaks the bank, but rather a value proposition that makes it incredibly difficult for hobbyists to justify anything else. When you factor in the expected battery life improvements, rumored to push toward the 20-minute mark even with active AI tracking engaged, the cost per minute of flight time becomes the best in the entire DJI ecosystem. This is a deliberate move to capture the massive surge of Gen Z creators who demand high-quality vertical content for social platforms without the hassle of bulky equipment. Consider the implications for the wider market. When a company like DJI decides to pack this much technology into a palm-sized chassis, they're signaling a move toward autonomous media. The DJI Neo 3 is not meant to be flown manually with a controller every single time. It is designed to be a launch-and-forget companion. The rumors surrounding the voice control integration are particularly fascinating. Being able to verbally command the drone to orbit, track, or return while your hands are busy elsewhere is a massive accessibility win. It transforms the drone from a technical gadget into a seamless extension of your body. Imagine being able to set up a perfect high-angle shot of your project or activity without ever touching a remote. The convenience factor alone is going to make this the must-have tech item for the 2026 holiday season. The manufacturing shift is another key part of this story. Because the DJI Neo 3 is built for mass production and high-volume demand, the components are being optimized for durability. We are hearing reports about a new, reinforced composite shell that can withstand minor impacts far better than its predecessors. This is a direct response to feedback from the first-person view and vlogging community who have been asking for a drone that can survive the rigors of travel and constant field use. If the rumors about the C0 class certification are true, it also means the DJI Neo 3 will be incredibly user-friendly in terms of local regulations, making it even easier for new pilots to get into the air without navigating a maze of paperwork. As we look toward the official unveiling, the excitement isn't just about the specs. It's about the cultural shift in filmmaking. We are entering an era where high-quality aerial cinematography is no longer a luxury reserved for those with a budget for a crew and a large drone. With the DJI Neo 3, the barrier to entry is effectively non-existent. You are essentially getting a cinema-grade sensor, advanced obstacle avoidance, and industry-leading AI intelligence in a package that fits right next to your wallet. The anticipation for the DJI Neo 3 is reflective of a larger trend in technology: the drive toward extreme miniaturization without sacrificing performance. It's a challenge to the laws of physics and engineering, and if the rumors hold true, DJI has mastered it. We have to consider the long-term impact on the drone market. If this launch succeeds as expected, we should anticipate a massive wave of copycat products. But as history has shown, the software ecosystem is the true moat. The DJI Neo 3 will benefit from the most mature Fly app integration on the planet, allowing for instant editing, auto-stitching of panoramic shots, and quick transfer capabilities that are still years ahead of the competition. When you buy this drone, you aren't just buying hardware. You are buying into a system that ensures your footage looks better than 99% of what is currently on the feed.